It's over on the kitchen table. All right, Ollie. Gonna open it up. What you got in there? Keep working on it.
Hey, dogs, can you go away? Oh, boy. Okay, Baxter, can you move? Because I need to get down. No.
Keep working, Ollie. And maybe Primo will help. What is that?
Primo, can you come here? Primo, go. Primo, come on, go. Ollie, what is it? Stay, Primo. Ollie, can you look at me?
I think his favorite part's the paper. Look at that, huh?
What is it? Hockey.
It is hockey. Holy cow, how do you know that?
Can you look at me?
Yeah.
Cheese.
Is that for hockey?
Do you like it? Do you want me to open it?
Yeah.
Okay, come
You
here.
want to play
I'll
some
open it.
hockey, I'll bet. We'll scare the dogs with that.
Oh, boy. Do you like it?
Yeah. Huh?
Okay. Here, Mommy's going to open it for you.
And Mom's going to open your hockey.
Where's that knife thing, George?
I don't know. You took it.
I have no idea where it is.
Okay.